stand by. Released.
Yay! And we wait for it almost straight away. Dom here from Essential RC. If you have been following my channel for a while, you will know I like trying out different radio controlled things, and this is no exception. This is a radio controlled skydiver that you can either throw off a building or release from an aeroplane, helicopter or drone, and while it's free falling, you can decide when to release the parachute at the flick of a switch. After you flick that switch and the parachute is deployed, you can steer the skydiver from left to right and guide him to where you would like him to land safely on the ground. So this is the bundle that I bought from poolminiparachute.com. I've decided to use my own radio and receiver for this skydiver, but you can buy that also from Pool Mini Parachute. But for my bundle, it includes the skydiver kit, the 2 servos that go in that skydiver to control his arms, the battery pack that is a nice small size to go in that skydiver that will power the receiver and the servos, the parachute that gets packed into the pack on the back of the skydiver, and the drop mechanism that you put underneath, or I will put underneath my radio controlled aeroplane, so I can decide when to release that skydiver. So just for reference, this is the bundle that you would get if you do want to buy the radio transmitter as well. And the benefit is that this is already set up to control the skydiver. No work to do. I've decided to go my own route with my own radio transmitter and receiver, and I've had to do a little bit of setting up, but still quite easy to do. Showing here quickly how the parachute is deployed on the skydiver by a quick movement on the right stick, which moves the right arm, which pulls the pin, and the parachute is released. Then as the skydiver descends on the parachute, you control on the radio transmitter left and right. Right, so first time trying Paul's Mini RC Parachute. So I bought the cradle, the parachutist, and the cradle releases it from a switch that is on Adrian's transmitter, and then it will free fall for probably a split second or 1 or 2 seconds, and then there's a switch on Nick's transmitter which will release the parachute, and then he can steer the parachute. So this is a controllable parachute after it has been deployed, so it is proper free fall. All right, good luck folks.
Okay. Let's hope the free fall's only a second. Right. Is there a throttle cut on this?
No. It's live. You're good to go.
Okay. You ready, Nick? Sure.
Let's just check what rates you're on.
Yeah, I could do with probably being on low rates, couldn't I? Probably don't need high rates.
You're on. Hold the stick over.
Yeah, low rates. Yeah, that's all we need, isn't it, to keep it smooth. Okay.
Yeah, if you need.
So probably a circuit and then up for some height.
Yes, as high as you can go.
Sensibly go.
Yeah.
Right.
And that's the rate switch.
Yeah, which I don't need, and that one's a release. Okay.
Now CG has been, I did a test flight without the parachutist, so I don't know what the CG is. I moved the pack slightly further forward.
Okay.
Dad loves a wonky CG.
Yeah, nothing like it.
Just climb.
All right, ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, take it off. Right, we'll do a circuit. Go out that way. Where do you reckon then, Dom? About there?
Yeah, I go a bit higher though.
Okay then, here we go. Released. Should be. Can't see him.
Yeah.
Right.
Deploy.
Flick the switch, man.
It's deployed. Not deployed. He's going down. He's dead.
I mean, I just kept flicking the switch. I couldn't even see him at that point.
Oh. So, second attempt, because I'd made a stupid mistake. Me, nobody else, because I had a zip tie through the release mechanism of the parachute and it didn't release, and therefore he plummeted to his death. Now, there's no damage with the, and it's obviously quite durable. I've only lost his head. I've decapitated the poor chap, and I'm sure Paul can send me another one of those to glue on. Oh, but we've set up again for another go. We can try. All right, chaps, you ready?
Yeah.
You know what you're doing this time.
We know what we're doing.
All right, let me just get that. Yeah, go for it. Let's go.
We'll fly round to the drop zone. Right, how high do we want to be? About there?
Yeah,
Right, releasing now.
free falling.
Yeah.
Shoot.
I'm moving hands in every direction, Dom. Every single stick.
Shoot, come on.
I'm doing it! He's going in, Goose.
Ugh, he bounced. Right, we're back for take 3, because what happened that time, he free-falled to his death again, but basically the pin did not pull out to release the chute. Look, I think we just got unlucky. It was literally just about to pull out, so we're going to try for a third time. I did speak to Bob, the parachutist. He wasn't very keen. He was talking to me in sign language because he's lost his head on attempt number 1. But I don't care, we're going to send him up again. Right, ready guys?
Yeah.
Yep.
All
Go
right.
then.
Oh, what can go wrong?
Here we go.
All right, yep. So I think we can go closer in.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Ready?
yeah.
Released.
Yeah, I
There
see
he
him.
goes.
He's free falling.
Right, go for the shoot.
I'm doing it, man. I'm doing it so
Everything.
much.
Do it slowly.
I'm holding it in. Oh,
Oof.
there it. I feel like it just came open as it landed.
I think it's the shock of the arrival that did it.
Yeah, knock
I
the
was
pin out.
holding it.
I wonder if it's something to do with the airspeed of it coming down.
Oh, I've lost track of what attempt this is.
Number 4.
Is this number 4?
Number 4.
So again, the chute didn't deploy, and it's a mystery. We think something to do with airflow and gravity,
Definitely grabbed
not allowing it to open. So we're going to go for a final go. I have to say his spine is broken, but he's happy to go for it once more.
Here we go. Okay, stand by. Released.
Yay!
Go nice, Steve.
And we wait for it almost straight away. Oh God, he's going to end up. You got any control?
Maybe, yeah, right. I've got no left. His
You can
spine's
always-
broken for left.
You can always spiral him if he's going too near the...
Yeah, I'm trying to get him to go forward.
God, he's high up as well. What?
Flat calm, luckily.
He's not here. Oh, yeah, I've got right again.
Can you keep it away out that way?
I'm trying, but he won't go forward anymore. All the way down. Come on, broken spine, man. You can do it. So we're going to have to go around to the right again.
Here comes our headless skydiver.
left or not?
God, yeah, this is the right is the only way it goes.
Right again.
And now full left.
The left sort of holds him straight. Shall I go right so he goes in the road, not
Yeah.
in the tree?
Yeah, bail away. Because then he won't go in the trees, then we can get him out the field.
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah.
So he did travel quite a bit with the wind then, didn't he?
Didn't he? Yes. Yeah, that was surprising, wasn't it?
Oh,
But it
all
does
right.
show the chute is actually quite buoyant.
Yeah.
It kept him up.
It's quite impressive, isn't it? How
That would have been good.
that was a good flight time.
Yeah. Yeah, he's in that field, I think. So at least we missed the trees.
So Nick was kind enough to go and retrieve him from the field, and the stunning thing is that after the parachute came out, it went a long way. Unfortunately, because of prior damage, and we had 3 or 4 failed attempts, so his spine was a little bit broken. Nick didn't have any left, but he had right control. So it went over the trees and halfway into the next field. So the parachute works really well. What I have to perfect is the release mechanism, which is this. It's that one, isn't it? This pin. This pin basically pulls through the 3 covers that are holding the chute onto his back. So we need to perfect that. So a little bit of repair work to do, and I need to ask Paul to send me a new head, because we can't send him up again with another head. But we all think it shows a lot of promise. You know, sometimes these things don't work perfectly, you have to tune them a little bit. But the servos are still working absolutely fine, which is quite remarkable considering we dropped him at terminal velocity 3 or 4 times directly into the ground. He's a strong chap. So thanks for watching. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if you would like to try something different, and no one else sells anything like this. So it's kept us all entertained for a good part of the afternoon, and I've been running around a lot keeping fit. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.